Morning, everyone. Now Asma wants to share her daily routine with us. Asma, share your daily routine.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I would like to talk about my daily routine. First of all, I get up early in the morning. Then I brush my teeth. Next, I freshen up my sleep. Then I have my breakfast. Shortly after that, I get ready ready to go to school. Uh, go to school. Then I participate in all my class. Next, I in my class after finishing my class go to home. No, no. After finishing my class, I go back home, and then I go back home.
Then,
Then I have a shower. Then I have a nap an hour. Then I study until 10 p.m. Then I have a dinner with my mother. After that, I go to bed 11 p.m. তারপরে তারপরে